Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Messenger app. So click on here to open my Messenger app. Having opened up your Messenger app, next thing you need to do is to click on the slider right here. Click on more, click on menu, take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on setting icon. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to account center. Click on that. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Make sure you go ahead and click on personal details. So click on personal details. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on account ownership and control. It take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on deactivation or deletion. Take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to select your Facebook account. So it's going to take you right here. If you want to take a break from Facebook, you can temporarily deactivate this account. If you want to permanently delete your account, let us know. So simply click on deactivate account. Once you click on deactivate account, click on continue. You will be asked to log in with your Facebook username and password. Log in with your Facebook username and password and follow the prompt. With that, your messenger is going to be deactivated. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.